Big up Wiz Khalifa. Big up, homie.
I octane in the circle.
Live and direct. Let's get this party started.
So what we get?
Hindi ko na alam kung ano ba ang sasabihin ko. Kasama ko ngayon mga malulupit na grupo. Sino ba nagsabi, nagpahinga? Pangalang automati yung marinig. Saan sa iyo ay mapapapili?
You hear me now, man?
You know how they always say that the good die young. That's why I gotta wild out and have a little fun. I don't take drugs, but I and if I OD, don't call 911. I just saw a girl, she's the one. Hey DJ, back it up, the party just begun. The place getting swole like the Super Bowl. I'm like a running back, baby, running through these. Shout out to Wiz, it's about time to roll up. Tryna get paper till the stats can't fold up. Haters won't stop me, but they ain't had no luck. To put your hands up like a hold up, hold up. Nobody move, nobody get hurt.
But you said
Nobody move, nobody get hurt.
But you
This ain't
said
no joke. Who got the smoke?
So what we get drunk? So what we smoke trees? We just having fun.
in the
We
circle.
don't care who sees. So what we go out? That's how it's supposed to be.
Sponsor sa amin. Stage, inom natin. Birthday na wala ako. Carnival. Happy anniversary to all navigators. Back in row. Hey, daw.
Yo, be sir. You should have known this not a problem. We will get cross off of the toast and a bump. Your butt with a red
Ay, go din. Nilayo din sa
Why
mo pinakalikod?
I where you get the visa, leave them with me fly all over the globe free like me no need no visa. I might life, so me I live with positive cause me no want to see me life up on the visa. So me live with up the goodness and me live with like the last. With me push, plus people wonder what that thing make. Them for know say another stuff from the past I cannot blast. And me still I do this just because what? Them for know the bank supply me with everything at any cost. What make you think so when we touch the club we don't need no pass? Couple girls and I do it.
The last night in Stock Global. That's the Stock Global. Hopefully it's up,
So what we go out? That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. So what we get drunk? So what we smoke trees? We just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out? That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. So what we get drunk? So what we smoke trees? We just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out? That's how it's supposed to be. So what we get drunk? So what we smoke trees? We just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out? That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. So what we get drunk? So what we smoke trees? We just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what we go out? That's how it's supposed to be. Living young.
Pasok. 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 mamaya na po, sasayo na po kami kasi konti pa kasi yung mga tao dito. Abangan niyo po yung sayo namin mamaya. I-video po namin.
Hindi pa tayo sa likod.
Opening number po kasi kami. Tara, let's go.
Let's go. Sumunod kayo kasi may pupuntahan kami. Pagka-golfer.
Dito yung daan, dito yung daan.
So,
Let's go. Ito na yung oras na pinakahintay namin, yung event namin yun sa Tacloban. Kaya tignan mo yun, yung show namin ngayon. Mamaya, mapapanood nyo, live na live.
The show must go on.
pamahala na. Pamahala na.
Sige, ano eh. Ito nga pala yung mga sponsor namin. Tanong mo si Katuko. Magsayo. Ayun pa. Ang tubig, nakakatuwa na yan eh.
Dito po yung daan.
Ito po, naglilista na po kami sa mga ano po.
Dito po, dito.
Naglilista na po ng kasama namin, yung choreographer namin yung ano. Yung pangalan namin para sa ano.
So ako ay lalabas. Ngayon, handa, tingnan nyo ang aming performance na hindi nyo makakalimutan. Ang pinaka-big event ngayon sa Tacloban. Dance Showdown. Oh.
Dito na naman kami. Sasayaw na naman.
At na naman.
Saan nyo na?
Tingnan mo. Eto, nagsusulat siya ng mga pagkain. Pasok. Chamsel. Chamsel chup chup. Banat.